welcome to today's organizing video. So today I've got the C bin. It sounds like a last name. Newsletter. Check out my newsletter. So today I'm just doing an organization video and I'm going to declutter this bin, which is brands that start with C, hopefully, unless I put the wrong brand in there. So I'm going to organize them and declutter things and donate things. And then, that's about it. So I got the C. We're going to start out with, I don't even know where to begin. It's overwhelming. So I'm going to start out with the Christophe Robin Volumizing Hair Cleansing Paste, which I'm going to give away. But the one thing I really like about it is it does smell like something that reminds me of something from my childhood. I just can't put a finger on it. But anyway, I haven't used it. So I'm going to give it away to family. So, because I already opened it and kind of spoiled it. So anyway. Let's see, Caudalie Venosource Cream. I'm going to put this for the giveaway. I was not able to get to this yet. Yeah, and I'm not a big Caudalie fan, so I'm sure there are some of you that like Caudalie that will appreciate this. Never opened, never used. Kind of a waste, but oh well. At least somebody will be able to use it. CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. I will donate this one as well. I haven't got a chance to use it yet. So, yeah. There we go. Let's see. CNP Laboratory Deep Propolis Moisture Mask. I'm going to keep that one because I really haven't had a chance to try it, but I really wanted to, and I'm not sure why I haven't yet, but I really like their mist. They have a misty version, kind of, and it's really nice. Let's see. Clinique, even better clinical dark spot serum. I'm going to hold on to this one because I need all help with dark spots I can get, so I will hold on to that little one. Let's see. Costa Baja Snail Mucin Hyaluronic Serum. I'm going to hold on to that one because it's almost finished. What? Order of what?
Keeping it all.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I won't keep it all. Cosrx Snail Cream. That's definitely a backup to my favorite. Cosrx Propolis Synergy Toner. This one's another backup for a favorite. Got a couple CeraVe products that I purchased to review them. Sunscreen, I think. I'm trying to remember if this sunscreen is the one I got in when I was gone. I think it was. I got this in Budapest. And then their oil gel cream, I meant to review that one. Let's see, Costa Baja MA Peptide Toner. Love this one. If I haven't reviewed it, I will. Let's see. CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Gel. This one's almost empty, and I gave away a backup of that in my newsletter giveaway. So there's already been one given away. Let's see. Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. I will hold on to that one because I talk about that from time to time. Clinique Super Primer. I'm going to give that away. Don't need that one. Another Christophe Robin Salt Scrub Shampoo. It's really nice. I haven't touched this one, but I have a giant one on my bathtub, so I think I'll probably give it away or donate it to family. The Koi XR Black Snail Collagen Serum. I will give this away to friends and family because I think this one had fragrance in it, and I don't know. Yeah, fragrance. I didn't love it, and I didn't even get a chance to fully review it because it was too scented. Cosrx Propolis Honey Mask. I'm going to keep that one for myself. Cosrx Foaming Acne Cleanser. I'm going to give that away to friends and family. Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. I can't remember if I've tried this one or not. It doesn't have a seal on it. I'm going to donate that to friends and family. See, Cetaphil Redness Reducing Nighttime Moisturizer. I'm going to put that in the giveaway. Clinique Clinical Smart. I'll hold on to that one because it's a jar. I've opened it. I've used it. I don't want to do that to anybody. Cetaphil Healthy Glow Daily Face Cream. I will give that away for the newsletter. Caudalie Grape Water Spray, which I think from what I recall is like 3 ingredients. Grape water. I will put that for the giveaway. A backup Cetaphil Night Moisturizer. I will give that one away too. Or donate it. Or what? Not donate it. Put it for the giveaway. Charlotte Tilbury Goddess Skin Clay Mask. I will put that in the giveaway because I had a mini one of it. It was just fine, but I don't need any more masks because I have a ton of masks. Let's see. The chemistry brand retinol oil. That one's pretty old. If I recall, I used it a little bit, and then it was just kind of greasy and oily, and I didn't like it. Yeah, I used it like once. I will investigate this and then perhaps donate, but I think it's probably too old. It's probably garbage, sadly. Let's see. CosRx Cooling Aqua Facial Mist. I'll hold on to that because I love my CosRx goodies. Let's see. CosRx. Another snail cream backup. Can't have enough of them. I mean, I do go through them a lot, so yeah. Cetaphil Acne Foaming Cleanser. Let me see if I've opened this one yet. Nope. Okay, I will donate that one. Good Morning Low pH Cleanser. I'm going to hold on to that one because I really like it. It's good for the occasion. Cetaphil Vitamin C Serum. I'll hold on to that one. CeraVe Vitamin C Serum. I'll hold on to it because I think it's older. Clarity RX Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Facial Oil. I think I got this in a beauty box. And I haven't used it, so... Borax seed oil. I'll donate that. Cover FX Glitter Drops Nova. I'm going to give this to my friend for her child. For her girl. She loves makeup to play with it. She'll love it. Let's see. Cosmetics Detox Mask. I will give that away. Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour Hydrator. Let me see. I feel like I've used this. I have not, but now it's open, so I'll give it to family. Okay, let's see. Another Clinique thing. I'll hold on to that. Then I've got Clinique Acne Foaming Cleanser. I'll give that away. CeraVe Hyaluronic Serum. I'll give that away too. Kula Sunscreen. It expires in 3 months. I will definitely give that away ASAP. CeraVe Skin Renewing Cream Serum. I will hold on to that because it was a nice one. Celamax Noni Ampule. I've been meaning to review that one, so I'm going to keep that myself. Let's see. A few things from Costa Baja. And I will hold on to these because I've been meaning to do a dedicated Costa Baja video. So I'll hold on to these things. Let's see. Cetaphil Hydrating Face Lotion. I'll hold on to that. Costa Baja Salicylic Acid. This one's actually empty, so I'm going to hold on to that. Some weird noises. CeraVe Eye Makeup Remover. I'm going to hold on to that because I'm almost finished with my current eye makeup remover. Clinique Smart SPF 15 Sunscreen. I'll give that away for sure. Clinique Kiss Me Honey Set. I'll give that away. I don't have enough mouths to, let's see. Cetaphil Clay Mask. I think this one's old, so I'm going to sadly probably throw that one away. CosRx Comfort Ceramide Mist. I like this one. I'm going to hold on to it. I mean, I liked it. I didn't love it, but I liked it. Clinique Take the Day Off. I will put that in the giveaway. Clinique. No, not Clinique. Clarins Double Serum. I'll hold on to that. I end up talking about that from time to time. Clinique Even Better Dark Spot Corrector. I'll hold on to this one. So I got a sunscreen from Color Science. I will give that away. All About Clean Cleansing Exfoliating Jelly. I'm going to give that away. I think this one was empty. Clinique Smart Custom Repair Serum. I'm pretty sure this one's empty. I don't think they make it anymore, so I will check on that. Cetaphil Acne Moisturizer. I will give that away. Let's see. CosRx Centella Blemish Ampule. I will donate that. Oh, I really like this one. The blue one from Clinique. Do they make this one anymore? Turnaround Moisturizer. I don't remember, but I'm going to hold on to that one because I've opened it. CosRx Centella Cleansing Powder. Oh, these are so good. I love these. I'm going to put these in the giveaway. They're just like little powder cleansers you can travel with you. I'm going to put this in the giveaway. I'm Or maybe I'll do, I think there's like, I think I used about half of them. I think there's 30 in here, so I'll give half away and then, yeah. Let's see. CNC Blackout Coffee Scrub. I will donate that one. CeraVe Retinol Resurfacing Serum. I'll hold on to that. Another seed of CeraVe. I'll hold on to that one. Got a lot of Cliniques. I'm gonna have to check where Clinique is with all of these, and then from there figure out what to do with them, because I've got several of these dark spot repair ones, and I need to keep up with where they are at in them. Fresh pressed vitamin C pack. Oh, I'll donate these. These are awesome. Or I'll give these away. I love these ones. These are one of my favorites. Charlotte Tilbury Party Girl Kit. You can see I've really hit that one hard. I'll definitely give that away. CeraVe Makeup Cleansing Balm. I did not like that. And now I have 2 of these. And I know this one's open. This one has not been open, so I will give that one away or donate it. Okay. CeraVe Acne Clarifying Cleanser. I will give that away. Another Clinique Moisture Surge. I will give that one away. Let's see. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. I almost finished this one. It's almost empty, so I'll just hold on to it and might as well try and finish it up, right? Oh, Clinique Moisture Surge Eye. I like this one. I wonder what happened to that line. It's the one with the pink bubbles. I'll keep that because I liked it. Celamax Dermature Broccoli Spot Lip and Eye Remover. I will give that away. CosRX Retinol. I'm going to check because I'm trying to remember what version this is. I'll check on that one. We'll see where that one's at. Cetaphil Oil Control Cleanser. I will give that away or donate it. Do another Caudalie Grape Water, which is basically the same as the first. I'll give that one away too. Cica Cleanser from CosRX. I don't think I've touched that one yet, so I will donate that one. My piles are starting to merge. Cetaphil Healthy Radiance PSA Cleanser. I think I recall liking this one, so I'll hold on to it, actually. I think I was not a big fan of it at first, but I kind of grew into it, so I'll hold on to that. Acne Control Gel. I will donate that. CeraVe Skin Renewing Nightly Exfoliation Treatment. I didn't love this one, but I will donate it. Propolis Synergy Toner Mini. I will give that away because I already got the big one. Cetaphil Eye Cream. I think they just came out with a new one too, so I will donate it. And then last but not least, a little set of Clinique Chubby Crayon lip things. So I'll give that away too, or donate it. So anyway, that's all I got for today for the C bin. So it's going to be pretty empty. I really saved like this much. So make way for new goodies. And hopefully I'll be able to finish all these. And 2 little things to toss, which are always a bummer. But anyway, better safe than sorry. So anyway, thanks so much. I will see you again next week with another organization decluttering video. Thanks so much. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm going to shut it off. Okay. Bye, guys.